How long does it take for Twitch drops to show up in game? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video we're going to be discussing how long does it take for Twitch drops to show up in your game, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you've not claimed a Twitch drop, make sure that you've claimed already, and after you've claimed a Twitch drop, it actually takes up to 24 hours to show up in your game. It's as simple as that, because if I also simply search for it in the Google tab, you can see it says Twitch drops must be claimed on Twitch and can take up to 24 hours before they appear in your game. So if you've been wondering if you've already claimed it and it's not showing up in your game, you have to wait at least 24 hours because it takes up to 24 hours. If it doesn't, then you can simply contact the help center and so on as to why you're not being able to see the Twitch drops. But if it does, then that is definitely the answer to your question. Hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.